go breaking hearts unless those hearts are filled with candy. This interactive treat is sort of over the top, but you'll want to make one for everyone you love. We're calling in a pro to show us how it's done. Owner of the Sugar House Bakery, Meaghan House, is joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen. It's great to see you.
Hi, thanks for having me.
You're sort of a veteran to the breakable heart. You break a lot of hearts.
I do, so many. At least one a day.
All right, what's not to love about this, right? It's interactive, it's fun, it's edible.
I know, and it's great for adults and kids. Like my kids love to break them open, but they also can be like a fun gift for that like hard to gift person.
Yeah.
And you know, like when you give a gift card, like it's so impersonal, but like put a gift card in a breakable heart and you just made it a really fun experience.
Yes, you did.
So I always say that hard to gift person, this is like what you're gonna want to give them.
This is it. So we should break it down, no pun intended. If you haven't seen this, it's a chocolate heart, a very thin chocolate heart that then you take this little hammer, gavel, and just pop, 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 whatever is inside can be the gift.
And you can fill it with anything. Like a lot of times they're filled with candy, but like I said, I offer them for like Easter and Valentine's Day with gift cards in them. Teenagers, it's a really good one for teenagers.
For sure.
So you can put pretty much anything in them. I even brought like a couple of like my favorite Trader Joe's snacks and stuff that you can put. So it's not just candy. As long as it fits, you can put it in there.
It's starting. The chocolate onslaught is starting, and I'm not even mad about it. All right.
How the Jolly Rancher are the best ones.
How do we make these? How do we make these?
So I actually use a technique that not a lot of people use, and it's the 3-piece mold. And so it makes it super easy and super beginner friendly.
Where do I get this?
It's on bwbmolds.com, but you can even get them on Amazon if you just type in 3-piece mold. So I take this compound chocolate and I melt it down. I get this at Orson Gygi, and Orson Gygi actually sells the molds as well.
Oh, good.
Not the bigger ones, but some of the smaller ones. And so you just melt down your compound chocolate right into either a tipless bag or your silicone bowl that you can also get at Orson Gygi. And you just fill that mold with your compound chocolate that you've melted.
And does the type of chocolate, I mean, you say compound chocolate, does that?
It means it's like the beginner-friendly one that you can just melt down. You don't need to temper. So if you are someone who's kind of like some more higher quality chocolate, you can use a tempered chocolate or a couverture chocolate, but you don't have to. You can use this compound chocolate.
If you're someone like me who just takes any chocolate in any form.
So you put it in your mold and you press it down, and then you just pop this in the freezer and it's good to go.
For how long?
And about 10 minutes. You want to get it, when it's this big, you want to let it nice set harden. But you can even use like get it at Walmart, your red or your pink. It doesn't really matter what kind of compound chocolate, they'll all work.
Okay, now my mind is going back to 7th grade ceramics. A fun yet traumatizing
As it was for everyone.
When you pull it out of the mold, you know, and I attempted, you know, the Jesus the Christ statue and his hand fell off. Like, how am I preventing that from happening here?
So, this one has been in the freezer, so it is completely frozen, and you'll see it's so easy. It pops right out.
Okay, all right.
You just break away.
See, this is where I get nervous, no?
It's very easy. It does it for you. Just break away that excess chocolate. Remove this insert.
Oh, look at that.
And then you've got your perfect chocolate. And this one is white chocolate, and I put freeze-dried raspberries in it. So it's like a white chocolate raspberry.
You're fancy. It better work like that for me. Tell me it will.
I know, it will. Okay. It will. So you just melt down your chocolate into the bowl, and you can add whatever you want. You can add Oreos. You can add raspberries, anything to flavor it.
And that's before you freeze it.
Yeah. Yep. So you'll just take your melted chocolate, you'll add your Oreos, and then that's how you get this like beautiful speckled look.
That is so pretty.
So then after you've made your heart, you know, you can decorate the top with like any kind of mold that you have. I got this off Amazon. This is like really popular, the letters. So you can see that's where we got our lover heart or like our XO from. Or these are always at Michael's or Joann's, and you can just pick up like the hearts or the lips, whatever it may be, and then decorate it however you want.
And that's the outside, but there's a top and a bottom, right? Or how are we putting?
So I actually like to do these on, you can either do it on a cake stand if you want to display it, or a cake board, and then you'll just fill this with whatever candy that you want. Melt it down, and then you can put it either on your cake stand or on your cake board or whatever.
Melt it down with what?
You can use a pan on the stove,
just
or
to
you
get
can
it
use
warm.
a hot plate. Yep.
And then it sticks to the plate or the cake board.
Yes.
Okay.
You'll put it on your cake
board. Do we
board.
get to crack one open?
Yeah, we can.
Do you care?
So no, but we should. Here, let's go ahead and take this one. We'll pick all your favorite candies right here.
We've got to load it first.
Yeah, we got to load it first.
Sorry,
So this is,
I don't know if that was part of the plan.
No, it can be.
Clearly,
so
I've been dipping into these all day. Yeah.
And then we'll add some of these.
Okay.
And then, like I said, you'll just take your cake board, flip it over.
Look at you.
And then we'll go ahead and...
Where's my hammer?
Yeah, get the big hammer.
This one.
Yeah, there we go. And then
Are you sure this isn't for someone?
No, it's for you.
Other than Travis Kelce. Thank you, because Lover is my new favorite Taylor Swift song. Ready? Oh, see?
And then it just cracks right open.
Oh, that's so fun. Come on. That's fun. Yes, you can. All right, we should say thank you for showing us how to make these.
Yes.
You also sell these and you sell DIY kits to pull this off.
Yeah, you can buy the DIY kits. You can buy the actual hearts from me. Lots of stuff in the bakery. These are actually fun jewelry boxes that I make.
Stop.
All
Grandma's. This has your name on it for your teenage daughter. Look how cute. Oh, a chocolate jewelry box.
Isn't that so cute? Completely edible. And these are all on my website.
Which is?
Sugarhouse.shop.
Sugarhouse.shop. Rolled right off the tongue like you've said that before.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day, Meaghan.
Thank you. You as well.
We'll link you over to her website from ours for an easy connection point.